Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I will continue the tabular data interpretation problems. First of all, we need to read the information carefully. Based on that, we need to solve the questions accordingly. First of all, in the information which is provided in this table is number of students studying in various disciplines in various institutes. Here the information is about number of students who are studying in various disciplines. Various disciplines in the sense here we have total 5 different disciplines, like one is arts, commerce, science, management and also computer science. These are the 5 different disciplines and the institutes are A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 different institute and all these values within the table are number of students. 350, 240, 460, all these values are number of students studying in those respective disciplines and also from respective institutes. That is the given information. Now the information is very clear. Now according to the situation we need to solve the problems. Okay. Here the first question is the number of students studying in commerce from institute D. Commerce. Here the short forms are given at the top. These are the short forms. First one is arts, second one is commerce, and this is science, and this is management, and this is computer science. Here we are talking about commerce. Commerce means that is second column, and we are talking about institute D. Institute D, that is 480. 480. That particular value 480 is what percent of total number of students studying all the disciplines together in this institute. All the students studying from this institute. That means from institute D. Here the value 480 is what percent of total number of students studying from institute D. So in the denominator you need to write the total value of institute D. First you can write down all the values of D. 440, 480, 420, 120, 340. You need to add all those values. 440 plus 480 plus 420 plus 120 plus 340. These are the total values of institute D, and we are calculating the percentage. Therefore, the required percentage is equal to 480. Commerce value from institute D, that particular value, how much percentage of D total. Whenever you are calculating percentage, into 100 percentage symbol is common thing. Now you can calculate this value. 480 divided by, add all the values in the denominator. Here the units place is 0. And next, tens place. 4 plus is 12, 14, 16 and 20. 2 is the carry forward. Next, 2 plus 4, 6, 10, 14, 15 and 18. 18 into 100. Now if you observe carefully, denominator 2 zeros, numerator 2 zeros, both are cancelled. After that you will be left over with only 480 by 18. You can also cancel with 6 table. 6 threes are 18 and 6 eights are 0. 6 eights are 48 and 0 is there. 80 times 80 by 3. What is 80 by 3? Here it is 2 times 6, 20, 26, 2 by 3. 26 2 by 3 percentage. 26 2 by 3 percentage. That is the required answer. Guys, if you observe carefully, in the options we have 28 1 by 3. 26 1 by 3, 24 2 by 3, 24 1 by 3. We don't have 26 2 by 3. Here it is 26 3 is 78 plus 2 80, 80 by 3. Here we don't have the option with 26 2 by 3. Therefore our answer is none of these. Don't confuse with 24 2 by 3 and 26 2 by 3. Here we have the answer with 26 1 by 3, but the exact value is 26 2 by 3. Therefore, the required answer is none of these. Option E is the right answer for this question. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. What is the average number of students studying all the disciplines together from Institute E. From Institute E, we need to calculate the average value. Average value in the sense, as we all know that average is equal to sum of observations by average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Now you can calculate the required average for this question. Here we are talking about Institute E, that is bottom row, and from all the disciplines. So you need to add all the disciplines value, that is arts 280 plus 360, that is in commerce, and next science 340, management 200, after that computer science 330. That is the total sum of all the disciplines together divided by number of disciplines. Here total how many disciplines are there? 5. That is the denominator value. Now you can calculate the exact value of this one. Here the units place is 0. Coming to tens place, 8 plus 6 14, 18, 18 plus 3 21. 2 is the carry forward. 2 plus 2 4, 7, 10, 12, 15. 1510 divided by 5. Now here it is, you can cancel with 5 table. 5 3s 15, 0, 5 2s 302. The required average of number of students who are studying in all the disciplines from Institute E, that is 302. Option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. See the next question. Here the question is looking lengthy, but the solution is very simple. Look at the solution. What is the ratio between? We need to calculate the ratio. Between which numbers? Total number of students who are studying science from Institute C and D together. Here we need to take science value. Science is third column. Science is third column. C and D together. C and D together, that is this value. Okay. Science C and D. C and D. That particular value 360 plus 420. And next, after that you need to take the ratio between one more total number of students studying computer science from these two institutes together. Computer science, that is this one. The same institutes 380 and 340. Here computer science C and D. Computer science C and D. One is 380 and one is 340. Now you need to find the ratio between these two. Here the units place. Here 300, 700, 780. This value is 780 is 2. And next this value 600 and 120, 720. Here 0, 0 gets cancelled. You can cancel with 6 table. 6 13s, 6 12 times. Therefore, the required ratio between these two, science C and D together and computer science C and D together, that particular ratio is 13 is to 12. 13 is to 12. Option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. Next question. What is the average number of students studying commerce? Average number. Here we need to calculate the average number of students studying commerce from all the institutes together. Commerce, that is second column. Second column average. We need to calculate the average. As we all know that average is equal to what? Sum of observations. Sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Now from this average is equal to, you can add all the values from second column, that is commerce 260. You need to take all these values 260, 320, 300, 480, 360 plus 320 plus 300 plus 480 plus 360 whole divided by Number of observations. How many observations we have? 5. Therefore, you need to take the sum of all those values. Here the unit place is 0. And next one, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6, 22. 2 is the carry forward. 2 plus 2, 4, 7, 10, 14 and 17. 17, 20 divided by 5. Now you can cancel with 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 22 means 4 times. Again 2 will be left over. 20. Again 4 times. 344. Therefore, the required average of number of students studying commerce from all the institutes together 344. Option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Last question in this session. Total number of students studying arts from institutes A and B together. Arts A and B together. This is arts. First column is talking about arts together A and B. That is 350 plus 240. This particular value is approximately what percent of total number of students studying computer science from these two institutes. Computer science from these two institutes, that is 300 plus 320. Here the numerator value, which is arts A and B together, is what percent of computer science A and B together. Therefore, our required percentage value is equal to 350 plus 240 divided by 300 plus 320. And whenever you are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is common thing. Required percentage value. Here this value in the numerator is 590 and next in the denominator, that is 620 into 100. Here 0, 0 gets cancelled and next you can cancel with here you can cancel with 2 table 31 and this is 50. And next one more. Here if you observe carefully, better to take in the denominator as 30 instead of 31 so that you will get 0, 0 cancel and next you can multiply those values. Here as we are calculating the approximations, definitely you will get the values, approximate values only. No need of worrying about it. 59 into 5. 59 into 5, that is 29 and next 5. 295 divided by 3. Calculate this value. 3 9 times. 3 9 times and next 8 times. Here it is 25. 25 means 8 times. 98 point something, right? Approximately 98 point something. But the exact value. Here, if you observe carefully in the denominator, in place of 31, I have taken 30 in order to get some round figure value, right? So, the actual value is less than 98. Actual value is less than 98 because if I take the denominator as 30, definitely I will get less value. But I increased the new denominator value. If the denominator value is decreases, the required answer, what we are getting is this particular 98 is more than the actual answer. Therefore, final answer will be less than 98. Final answer will be less than 98 and somewhat approximately equal to 98. We are not calculating the exact value, but if you want to calculate the exact value, definitely there is no other option that you need to calculate 590 divided by 620 into 100. Here 0, 0 cancel and this is 31 and this is 50. Here if you observe carefully, here 59 into 50, that is 2950 divided by 31. If you solve this one, if you are in a position to solve this particular calculation, then only you will get the exact result. or otherwise you will not get the exact result. But in examination point of view, any competitive examination, while you are approaching, approximations are very important. That is the reason why in the denominator, in place of taking 31, I am taking 30. I am decreasing the denominator so that I will get the result which is more than the actual result. Here this 98 is more than the actual result, therefore our required answer is less than 98 and somewhat close to 98. Among the given options, option E satisfies the this particular relation, less than 98 and close to 98, which is 95. That is the required answer, option E. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope you understand each and every problem in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.